I have a client in the wholesale business, no manufacturing involved. Sales are $3 to $5 million annually. Do you think QuickBooks has all the tools to track inventory as long as the input is done correctly, or is there a better method? Yeah, there's a limited number of facts in the fact pattern, but given what I see here, yeah, QuickBooks can absolutely handle inventory. QuickBooks could even handle manufacturing. However, a wholesale business is typically doesn't have the complex data needs that manufacturing does. That being said, QuickBooks can not only handle wholesale, but manufacturing as well. And the difference, what your client should go for. So first of all, don't bother with QuickBooks Pro. It's going to cause a lot of wasted time because it lacks features that I consider critical for a $3 to $5 million business. Secondly, consider either QuickBooks Accountant Edition, QuickBooks Premier Accountant, or if you must, QuickBooks Premier Manufacturing, or if necessary, QuickBooks Enterprise. There's a huge price jump between QuickBooks Premier and QuickBooks Enterprise. However, sometimes it may be necessary. The price jumps include the fact that it's only offered on a subscription basis. So unlike Premier, where you can buy it once and keep it forever, or at least until computers become obsolete, QuickBooks Enterprise now requires an ongoing subscription. So that's one difference. But QuickBooks Enterprise is also a lot higher priced and also has features, naturally, that QuickBooks Premier doesn't have, including a much larger database, can take a larger number of products. So even if your company doesn't have significant business intelligence requirements or needing for specialized price level groups and individualized pricing and advanced pricing that QuickBooks Enterprise has to offer, if you have a significant number of items that exceed the number of items that are available in QuickBooks Premier, you would have to go to QuickBooks Enterprise and get that longer list, that larger database. Also, $3 to $5 million, that could be low volume in terms of number of sales transactions, or it could be high volume. We don't know. I don't know what their client's price point is. QuickBooks Enterprise can handle a significantly larger number of transactions because it has a larger back-end database. So those are some things to consider. But yeah, QuickBooks can absolutely handle inventory, even if there's drop shipping. The couple of things that your client may want to consider that QuickBooks doesn't necessarily do, or things that are handled by some, I don't want to say add-ons, it's third-party tools, third-party programs like Fishbowl. Fishbowl is a really well-known inventory third-party specialty tool. You could get your basic general ledger, but have your inventory handled in Fishbowl. And one of the main advantages is it includes much more detailed support when it comes to shipping, where you can print UPS labels from Fishbowl and such. And those may not be available certainly not available in QuickBooks Premier, and I don't think they're available in QuickBooks Enterprise. Also, if you want, even though Enterprise has very, very granular login permissions, but if you just don't want people getting into the general ledger, but only into the inventory system, you might consider a simpler general ledger system like QuickBooks Premier, and getting a system like getting a third-party system like Fishbowl Inventory. If you need a recommendation for a consultant, I have one in my network. He's amazing. He's really in demand. He gives amazing customer service. He specializes only in Fishbowl Inventory and one other program. So he really has deep expertise. And he has great customer service. His name is Lance Brandow Consulting. He's amazing. He's out in Utah. So if you or anyone you know is looking into Fishbowl, reach out to me. I'd be happy to introduce you to Lance. That being said, that's really a specialty system. QuickBooks Premier and QuickBooks, especially QuickBooks Enterprise, can really throw a lot of things that you can handle, a lot of things that you can throw at it.